हूं मैं, बीपीएम हूं मैं, गत 63 वर्षों से खड़ा हूं मैं, गत 63 वर्षों से खड़ा हूं मैं। कितने ही डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर व अधिकारी जन्मा हूं मैं, कितने ही डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर व अधिकारी जन्मा हूं मैं। और इस विकट स्थिति में भी, और इस विकट स्थिति में भी ऐसी क्षमता रखता हूं मैं, ऐसी क्षमता रखता हूं मैं। टूट न जाए वार्षिक उत्सव की यह परंपरा, टूट न जाए वार्षिक उत्सव की यह परंपरा। इसलिए आज आप सभी को आमंत्रित करता हूं, इसलिए आज आप सभी को आमंत्रित करता हूं।
यह पठति लिखति पश्यति परिपुच्छति पंडितान् उपाश्रयति तस्य दिवाकर किरणे नलिनी दलम एवं विस्तारिता बुद्धि। One who reads, writes, sees, inquires, lives in the company of learn, his intellect expands as the lotus petals expand due to the rays of the sun. With this noble thought, let us start with this function by worshipping Almighty. The function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. Now we'll have a traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony with a prayer song.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Dr. P.M. Kamath, to preside over the function. Thank you, sir. हजारों रास्ते हैं, जिंदगी जीने के हजारों रास्ते हैं, बस जीने का हौसला होना चाहिए। कोरोना काल की राह में थोड़ी मुश्किल जरूर है, कोरोना काल की राह में थोड़ी मुश्किल जरूर है, बस हिम्मत का काफिला होना चाहिए। पार कर लेंगे मिलके इन चढ़ाइयों को हम, पार कर लेंगे मिलके इन चढ़ाइयों को हम, बस गिरकर संभलने का जज्बा होना चाहिए। जिंदगी जीने के हजारों रास्ते हैं, जिंदगी जीने के हजारों रास्ते हैं, बस जीने का हौसला होना चाहिए। Good evening to one and all. With pandemic creating havoc and disrupting lives across the globe in many ways, 2020 and 21 has been a difficult year for everyone. Despite the challenges and constraints, VPM team and with our principal madam's initiative and cooperation, the VPM Junior College team has came together as one to celebrate our 38th annual day from a distance, yet with sensitivity, dignity, and gratitude. It's a celebration of hard work and dedication, as much as hope and determination to overcome these hurdles. Though this year's celebration are observed with a difference, Still, participation and cooperation from all the students, teachers, and management is remarkable. The reason behind celebrating such digital annual day is through art, we can spread a message of hope, struggle, and victory over an unknown, unpredictable enemy such as COVID 19. When creative minds are behind locked doors, our souls expand to express more through art. With this line, I, Mrs. Rakhi Keni, welcome you all for the celebration of 38th Annual Day of Vidya Prasarak Mandal's VSSM Junior College.
Esteemed chief guest of the evening, respected luminaries and dignitaries, life members, beloved former principals and principal, most valued parents, cherished faculty members, and my dear students, good evening. I, Mrs. Vandana Rao, am profoundly honored to get the opportunity today to welcome the galaxy of intellectuals on behalf of Vidya Prasarak Mandal. I would like to extend a warm welcome to one and all. This is so precious moment for us because aside from fact, this function underlines our college's successful back-to-back 30 academic years in its realm of imparting education. The fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. We have amidst us such an inspiring personality, Mr. S.P. Shenoy, to be a part of this wonderful gathering. We extend an affable welcome to you, sir. The courage to make tough decisions and the compassion to listen to the need of others is an art of our chairman, Dr. P.M. Kamal, who does not set out to be an ordinary leader, but becomes a special one by the preponderance of his inexhaustible energy and integrity of his intent. We are really blessed to have a chairman like you. With a thankful heart, we welcome you, sir. I also welcome another dynamic personality, the man of distinct vision, an idol of knowledge and experience, and inspiration to all of us. Honorary General Secretary of Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Sri Pramod Mulgud, who was also an ex-student of VPM Kannada High School. I welcome dedicated, diligent, and resourceful personalities who are the backbone of VPM. Vice Chairman, Dr. K. Mohan, Honorary Secretary, Sri B.H. Katti, Joint Secretary, Advocate Vijay Kulkarni, Honorary Treasurer, Sri Karunakar Shetty, Deputy Treasurer, Sri N.M. Goody.
My gracious welcome also goes to our inspiring and creative principal, Mrs. Archana Virazar. I also extend my warm welcome to another knowledgeable person, Vice Principal of VPM VSSM Junior College, Mr. Ajay Kumar Jadhav. My hearty welcome goes out to dearest parents who have constantly extended their love and support in this difficult COVID time. I would like to welcome all the teachers and non-teaching staff. I also heartily welcome all my dear students. Let your light shine as an inspiration to humanity and be the someone believes in goodness of the people. Some people in the world constantly try to uplift others by their knowledge and passion. Our today's chief case, Mr. S.P. Shenoy, is a living example of it. I find immense pleasure in introducing our honorable chief guest, Sri S.P. Shenoy, who is an MTech from IIT PHU and Mumbai. He is a founder and CEO of Steel Plant Specialties LLP. After a stint of working with steel industries, he set up his own enterprise in 1985. He is an innovator who invented a unique process to reduce oxidation losses in hot forming of steel. Such a great innovative process is adopted by prestigious units like Tata Steel and Bharat Forge and many others. SPS, that is Steel Plant Specialties, which was established in 1985, and ISO certified in 2001 manufactures innovative products for heat treatment, steel hot rolling, and hot forging industries. Products manufacturing by SPS are broadly classified as anti-scale coating. Prior of launching his own enterprise, Shenoy sir worked with Mukund Limited India, who are also esteemed manufacturers of the range of stainless steel and special steels. Mr. Shenoy was honorary secretary of ASM International India chapter during 1999 and 2000. He is a life member of the Indian Institute of Metals. Great work of SPS in scale of prevention during heat treatment and die life improvement in hot forging has enabled a number of organizations to achieve substantial savings. Mr. Shenoy sir was also awarded the second best prize for excellence in heat treatment by ASM International Pune Chapter India. Mr. Shenoy is a great human being who donates regularly for the cause of education. He has successfully introduced a concept of continual education. We are really thankful to him for taking time out of his busy schedule and to attend this function. Sir, you have motivated us all by being a living example of kindness and selfless service. Sir, as a token of love and respect, we are presenting few lines for your presence.
शेनॉय सर, भारत माता की दिमागी धरोहर हैं आप। भारत माता की दिमागी धरोहर हैं आप। असंभव को संभव बनाते हैं आप। असंभव को संभव बनाते हैं आप। सबसे पहले नई नई टेक्नोलॉजी अपनाते हैं आप। सबसे पहले नई नई टेक्नोलॉजी अपनाते हैं आप। नए नए उपकरणों की आजमाइश करवाते हैं आप। नए नए उपकरणों की आजमाइश करवाते हैं आप। मुश्किल घड़ी में दिमाग की सिक्का चलाते हैं आप। मुश्किल घड़ी में दिमाग की सिक्का चलाते हैं आप। नई नई खोजों से व्यापार को आगे बढ़ाते हैं आप। नई नई खोजों से व्यापार को आगे बढ़ाते हैं आप। इसके पीछे यही उद्देश्य रखते हैं आप। इसके पीछे यही उद्देश्य रखते हैं आप। तरक्की हो देश की और आगे बढ़े जनता। तरक्की हो देश की और आगे बढ़े जनता।
Thank you, madam. True leadership lies in guiding others to success, in ensuring that everyone is performing at their best, doing the work they are pledged to do and doing it well. I am privileged to get this opportunity to introduce our chairman, Dr. P.M. Kamath. Dr. Kamath holds doctorate from University of Mumbai. He is the first Indian to have studied the working of National Security Council in the United States. He is recognized as an expert in international politics, American foreign policy. Sir has attended numerous national and international conferences and seminars. Sir has written over 20 books on international relations, foreign policy, and American studies. Sir has published more than 100 research papers in various national and international journals and written over 1,000 articles in newspapers in India and abroad. It's immense pleasure to have you on this auspicious occasion. So, as a token of affection and appreciation, our Hindi madam has composed a short poem for you.
पितामह है आप। पितामह है आप। प्रकांड विद्वान, विचारक, वक्ता, लेखक, दूरदृष्टा है आप। प्रकांड विद्वान, विचारक, वक्ता, लेखक, दूरदृष्टा है आप। कामत सर, वीपीएम रूपी नैया के खिवैया हैं आप। वीपीएम रूपी नैया के खिवैया हैं आप।
Thank you, madam. A ship is always safe at shore, but that is not what it's built for, as been said by Albert Einstein. Similarly, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. The future is not shaped by those who do not really believe in the future, but successful leaders see the opportunities in every difficulty rather than the difficulty in every opportunity. So we are fortunate and privileged that our management dignitaries have carried the legacy of leadership not within, but have been investing and contributing continuously in the growth of this institution. So as a token of love and respect, a Hindi teacher would be presenting a small quote for them.
सत्कर्म सत्वृत्ति की मिसाल हैं आप। सत्कर्म सत्वृत्ति की मिसाल हैं आप। शुभ कर्म शुभ लक्ष्य की आस हैं आप। सर, आप जैसे प्रबंधन मंडली की छत्र छाया में, सर आप जैसे प्रबंधन मंडली की छत्र छाया में बीपीएम रूपी वृक्ष फलता फूलता है। बीपीएम रूपी वृक्ष फलता फूलता है।
Thank you, madam. Now, I would request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Archana Birazar, a seasoned scholar and a navigator of the flagship of knowledge, to present the preamble of our college achievements.
Thank you, Vandana. On behalf of VPM's CK Pai KHS and VSSM Junior College, a very good evening to all. Blessed are we to have the grace of God, support from our strong pillars of management, assurance of excellence from our teachers and support staff, understanding parents, SYJC students ready for a takeoff for new careers and ventures, and FYJC to follow their seniors. Pandemic, an unprecedented situation, has taught us to face and take challenges in all areas. If we have to speak of online classes, hats off to our team of teachers who got adapted from offline to online teaching, began classes as usual on June 15, held 2 unit tests and preliminary exams too. We could host webinars, a few of them being Ujjwala Bhavishya Ke Matrubhashe Dari Deepa, meaning mother tongue, a lamp post for radiant future. Mr. Dominic Arivarasu conducted webinar on the topic Mindfulness for Health and Education for our teachers and had the honor of being resource person at international webinar Live Your Life Mindfully. We were part of many webinars, recent being Non-Destructive Examination, NDE Career Options. Our celebrations include Teachers' Day celebrations, Karnataka Rajyotsava, National Science Day with a quiz competition which received participation of 1,000+ students from different colleges, Sharda Puja, Magh Ganeshotsava. We witnessed laurels in the form of outstanding HSC results with 98.46 pass percentage for science and 96.58 passing percentage for commerce, and toppers of both the streams securing 90%. Mr. Dominic Arivarasu bagging 3rd prize in essay writing competition held by Shikshak Parishad. Hariom Desai getting 2nd prize in drawing competition held by Robin Hood Academy. Distributing 797 e-certificates for quiz competition held. Mr. Manoj Kumar Pathak presenting international and national level papers. Mr. Banimat being on the panel of paper setters for HSC board exams. Ms. Ankita Pawar bagging 1st prize in essay writing competition conducted by Ramakrishna Mission, Mumbai. Jeevan Devariga and Suprit Sharigara bagging certificates for attending workshop on cartooning. And topping to all, we take pride to announce awarding of PhD to our 2004 passed student, Mr. Ramesh Raja, who has defended his thesis and will be receiving his degree in August 2021. Today, as we move further this evening, we will be showcasing talents, felicitating scholarly achievers, giving away prizes to co-curricular prize winners, and much more. Thus, will be a great evening to treasure while taking care of ourselves, staying home, and staying safe. I would conclude with the line, a desire changes nothing, a decision changes something, but a determination changes everything. Rightly applicable to our VPM family, and thus the word goes, कर दो ऊंचा चाहे जितना आसमां को, कर दो ऊंचा चाहे जितना आसमां को, उसे छूने की कसम हमने खाई है, उसे छूने की कसम हमने खाई है. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. And reward is a form of honor, a kind of recognition aimed to felicitate one's excellent contribution in a chosen field. An award is not only a great prestige or a mark of excellence, but is also a tremendous boost for someone to strive and excel higher and aim for more bigger achievements in life. It is an ultimate token of recognition of purest of talents and highest of achievements. VPM students have proved their talents in all streams, and to appreciate them for their hard work is our duty. Now, it's a time to acknowledge the talent of our brilliant students by beginning with academic and endowment prizes. So I request Mrs. Aparna Lonkadi to read out the names of academic prize winners.
Good evening to one and all. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. It is time to award those who have completed the journey successfully. Academic prizes are awarded as a token of appreciation towards the outstanding performance of the students. These awards also serve as a source of inspiration to the other students to achieve and excel in their endeavor. I begin with the science stream. Nalaude Piyush of 11th A stood first in the science stream. Yadav Vivek stood second from 11th A in the science stream. From the commerce stream, Sheragira Supreet from 11th B stood first. Second rank goes to Pujari Rakshita from 11th B. Now from the 11th C section, Shalini Divakar from 11th C stood first. Second rank goes to Chakravarti Poonam from 11th C. Now, 11th D section, Kotian Sachin from 11th D stood first. Salian Kruti from 11th D second. Now the academic prizes for the HSC rankers. Science stream, Maurya Ashish stood first with 89.67%. Vaiti Onkar stood second with 83.85%. Commerce stream, Bhor Akanksha stood first with 90.31%. Mohammad Muskan stood second with 89.23%. Both Maurya Ashish and Bor Akanksha, the toppers of the commerce section and the science section, have achieved higher percentage in comparison with their 10th standard performance after joining VPM Junior College. This achievement of theirs deserves a pat on the back of the teachers as well. Thank you. Over to Manoj Pathak to announce the endowment prizes.
Madam, it is not the award and prizes that add values to one's work. It is the work that add values to the award and prizes. Good evening to one and all present here. I am here to announce the most prestigious and meaningful award known as Endowment Prize. Scholarship donors are generous and caring people who unselfishly give support to the educational endeavor of students like you. Thus, on behalf of BPM family, I salute all the eminent personality who contributed for the endowment to add a praise to the success of stars of BPM. Now, I am going to announce the name of student for the endowment prize of the academic year 2020 and 21. Let us begin with endowment prize for the best student of the junior college. The best student of the junior college, best student of the year from the science stream goes to Pawar Ankita Hanuman of class 12th A. She gets late J.S. Mathais Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Sarah Mathais. Best student of the year from commerce stream goes to Kotian Sachin of class 12th D. He gets Sri Venkatesh Kadgol and Srimati Kamla Kadgol Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. L.P. Wadia. He also gets Principal G.D. Joshi Endowment Prize instituted by Principal G.D. Joshi, the highest scorer in both streams at second semester exam in 11 and continue to study in BPM Junior College. Late Shri V.K. Yedali Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. D.B. Yedali for the students securing highest marks in FYJC Commerce and continue to study in BPM Junior College. And last, Pawan Kumar Shettigar Endowment Prize instituted by Pawan Kumar Shettigar for the highest scorer in FYJC Commerce. Overall best student of the junior college award goes to Sherigara Supri of class 12th B. He gets Dr. P.M. Kamath Endowment Prize instituted by Dr. P.M. Kamath. Let us proceed towards the endowment prize for HSC passed out student with highest score. The first award goes to Brax Lisa Stephen of class 12th A. She gets late Srimati Ambabai Patil Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Vatsala Mukherjee for the highest scorer in English at HSC exam. Shri S.B. Karkera Endowment Prize instituted by Mr. S.B. Karkera for the highest scorer in English at HSC exam. Late Shri V.K. Yedali Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. D.V. Yedali for the girl student securing highest marks in English at HSC exam. Gaura Nandini Suresh of the class 12th B. She gets late Srimati Rangubai Patil Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Vatsala Mukherjee for the highest scorer in Kannada at HSC exam. Bhor Akanksha D from 12th D. She gets late Dr. Leela Patil Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Vatsala Mukherjee for the highest scorer in economics at HSC exam. Shri H. D'Souza Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. L. D'Souza for the highest scorer in commerce at HSC exam. Late Anusuya Karkera Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. S. P. Karkera for the top rankers in HSC exam. VPM School Staff Welfare Association Cash Prize for the top scorer in commerce stream of the junior college at HSC exam. Late Shri V.K. Yedali Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. D.V. Yedali for the girl students securing highest marks at HSC exam. And last, Shri M.V. Kini Endowment Prize instituted by Shri M.V. Kini for the highest scorer in secretarial practice at HSC exam. Next award goes to Mandal Preeti Kumar C from class 12th D. She gets late Dr. Leela Patil Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Vatsala Mukherjee for the highest scorer in economics at HSC exam. Maurya Ashish Kumar A from class 12th A. He gets late Tirumal Rao Madhava Rao Patil Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Vatsala Mukherjee for the highest scorer in mathematics at HSC exam. Patil Katti Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Vatsala Mukherjee for the highest scorer in biology at HSC exam. Shri L. D'Souza Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. L. D'Souza for the highest scorer in science at HSC exam. VPM School Staff Welfare Association Cash Prize for the top scorer in science stream of the junior college at HSC exam. Shri Ninjur Nandikotra Bettu Kau Monappa Shetty Endowment Prize instituted by Shri Gundu Monappa Shetty for the highest scorer in HSC in science stream. Late Anusuya Karkera Endowment Prize instituted by Mr. S.B. Karkera for the top rankers in HSC exam. Tiwari Shruti Jitendra from 12th D. She gets late Shri R.M. Karkera Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. S.B. Karkera for the highest scorer in BK and accountancy at HSC exam. Late Shri Krishnaji Ganpat Jadhav Endowment Prize instituted by Shri Ajay Kumar Jadhav for the highest scorer in BK and accountancy at HSC exam. Nallavade Prathamesh M of class 12th B. He gets late Shri R.M. Karkera Endowment Prize instituted by Mr. S.B. Karkera for the highest scorer in BK and accountancy at HSC exam. Mrs. Sara Mathais Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Sara Mathais for the highest scorer in maths for commerce stream at HSC exam. Late Shri Krishnaji Ganpat Jadhav Endowment Prize instituted by Shri Ajay Kumar Jadhav for the highest scorer in BK and accountancy at HSC exam. Sharma Sannu Vinod Kumar of 12th A. She gets late Shri R.J. Gad Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. Shailaja Gad for the highest scorer in Hindi at HSC exam. Late Mrs. Lata Arvind Dasinkar Endowment Prize instituted by Shri V.S. Joshi for the highest scorer in Hindi at HSC exam. Singh Priya Dinkar of class 12th D. She backs Shri M.V. Kini Endowment Prize instituted by Shri M.V. Kini for the highest scorer in secretarial practice at HSC exam. Muhammad Muskan N of class 12th C. She gets Shri M.V. Kini Endowment Prize instituted by Shri M.V. Kini for the highest scorer in Organization of Commerce and Management at HSC exam. Endowment Prize for Best Article goes to Pujari Rakshita R of class 12th B. She gets Dr. P.M. Kamath Endowment Prize instituted by Dr. P.M. Kamath for the best article in the Junior College magazine. Suryavanshi Sakshi from class 12th D also gets Dr. P.M. Kamath Endowment Prize instituted by Dr. P.M. Kamath for the best article in the Junior College magazine. Endowment Prize for FYJC passed out student with highest score goes to Nalawade Piyush of class 11th A. He brags Dr. L.H. Hiranandani Endowment Prize instituted by Dr. L.H. Hiranandani for the highest scorer in biology in 11th and continue to study in VPM Junior College. Late Shri V.K. Yedali Endowment Prize instituted by Mrs. D.V. Yedali for the student securing highest marks in FYJC Science and continue to study in VPM Junior College. Pujari Devika of class 11th B. She gets Shri NBH Kulkarni Endowment Prize instituted by Shri NBH Kulkarni for the student of VPM school who secures in SSC exam and joins VPM's Junior College. Marathe Kajal of class 11th B. She gets Mr. Shashikant Nadi Endowment Prize instituted by Mr. Shashikant Nadi for the economically poor student of VPM Kannada School who continue his or her studies in VPM Junior College. Appreciation and Recognition Award from the VPM VSSM Junior College goes to Pandey Shravan Kumar of class 12th D. He is very enthusiastic, helpful and kind in nature, self-motivated personality and ready to accept all responsibilities. Next prize goes to Sani Naomi of class 12th A. She is humble and obedient, down to earth student, self-motivated and hardworking. Now at the end, I also would like to say something to those students who did not get any awards. असंभव कुछ भी नहीं, खत्म जज्बे को अपने कभी होने न देना, मिलकर रहेगी मंजिल, पर उम्मीद को अपनी कभी खोने न देना. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now move on to the co-curricular awards. The year 2020 was a challenging year for all of us. It introduced us to completely a new scenario. The concept of new normal crept in. Amidst this lockdown, quarantine, social distancing, and virtual classes, it was very important for us to give few recreational moments for our students. Also, we kept in mind how to boost their morale, to enhance their hidden skills and hobbies. In this leave, we conducted few virtual co-curricular activities where we know that these co-curricular activities help to fuel students' learning by stimulating their creative thought, improving their social and organizational skills, developing interests and talents, and offering a chance to switch off and do something which a student really wants to do in the closed doors. So the winners in these categories are, we begin with first English essay writing. And the winners are, first prize for Piyush Nalaude from 12th A, second prize for Sasha Ghadigaonkar from 12th A. Next category is stand-up comedy. The winners are, first prize Saima Sheikh from 12th A, second prize Sakshi Jagtap from 12th A. In Hindi essay writing, the winners are, first prize Sakshi Suryavanshi from 12th D, second prize for Kiran Damor from 12th D, third prize for Suprit Sherigara from 12th B. Hindi elocution, the winners are, first prize Khushi Baheti from 12th D, second prize Sakshi Suryavanshi from 12th D. The next category is solo dance, and the winners are, first prize goes to Tanmay Bhingarde from 12th C, second Srushti Chavan from 12th D. Next category, greeting card making, and the winner is Ankita Pawar from 12th A. In singing category, the winner is Naomi Sanil from 12th A. For Kannada essay writing, the winners are, first prize Gauda Chetan from 12th B, second prize Dhobi Mamta from 12th B, third prize Sali Viresh from 12th B. In Kannada elocution, the winners are, first prize Pujari Rakshita from 12th B, second prize Gauda Chetan from 12th B, and third prize Shetty Bhumika from 12th B. Congratulations to all students, and we regret that 11th standard students couldn't be incorporated in these activities, as for the academic year 2020 and 2021, the academic session for 11th began very late. So we regret. Thank you. Over to you, Rakhi.
Thank you, Chetna. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri S.P. Shenoy, to address the gathering and to give his valuable inputs to our students who are aspiring to be like him. By sharing your expertise and knowledge, I am sure the students over here also will be motivated. I invite Sri S.P. Shenoy, sir, to address the gathering.
Hey, thank you. Professor MP Kamath, teaching staff, and the students of the junior college. I am highly honored to be amongst you on this occasion of the annual function of the junior college. This annual function is very important and it must be celebrated. The reason is this: on this day, the creative intelligence of the students get triggered and they become more enthusiastic in their pursuits of studies and extracurricular activities. On this moment of celebration, I ask you two simple questions. What is the weight of a banyan tree seed? And what is the weight of the tree which grew up from this seed? The difference is very, very large. And this tree gives a message that anyone and everyone has the potential to grow to the highest extent. This is very important. The growth is possible if one is thinking in terms of benefiting others. An example is very visible to me. The Kannada school began by three poor students at the veranda of Mr. NBH Kulkarni's residence. And since then, the VPM as a total has grown in many directions, made its name, and today it is boasting of running international schools and full-fledged college which awards PhD degree. Behind every institute is an individual or group of individuals with like-minded thinking, and that helps to the growth of the institution. In the last 60 years, VPM premises have been graced by a number of prominent personalities, educationists, leaders, and VPM continues to contribute to the changes in education, to social and cultural changes. I wish every student, first of all, I congratulate all the students who won the prizes. But as I have been told by those who did not get prize, they should not lose heart. Once their aims are very clear, they will be always motivated to achieve something in life. And it is with my great pleasure that I appreciate all the hard work done by the team of teachers. I am remembering an inspirational statement in honor of the teachers. अध्यापक खुद जलकर दूसरों को प्रकाश देता है. So when the teachers are having such attitude, such devotion and commitment, the institution is bound to grow. I stop here. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable inputs and inspirational remarks. Surely, VPM students and we teachers will take the best out of this and be shining stars like you. Thank you, sir. Now, I request Dr. PM Kamath to give his presidential remark.
At the outset, I would like to thank my friend, Mr. S.P. Shenoy, for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion. And he made a very appealing speech extolling the role of the teachers. I endorse the same. But I would like to say a few words for the newly joined or newcomers or for the students about the early beginning of the junior college. Everything in VPM has a wonderful history. One day, after learning about the excellent work that VPM is doing at the high school level, then Deputy Director of Education called me. He said, Dr. Kamath, I would like you to apply for a junior college opening. I said, it's a great honor, but I will accept your honor on two conditions. He said, what are the conditions? The first is, very first year, it will be on aided basis. We will not accept anything on an unaided basis, and an assurance that after 2 years, we will give you the grant. The second, I will not start the junior college until you give us a letter in writing. And letter came in 3 days and we started. And because of this process, it took almost the month of August or late July. And that year we got only 13 or 14 students for science and another 30 or 40 for commerce. Now, to get to the grant in aid, I had to go to Pune and convince them, but we were brought finally on aided basis within a year. And therefore, all the teachers, our former chairman, Mr. NBH Kulkarni, always used to say that teachers, when they join VPM, they don't leave, because they not only get well paid as per the government scale, but they're treated well by the management. Now, since then, our junior college has grown from single division in commerce to, I think, 5 or 6 divisions. Only my worry is, my regret is that it has not grown in science with 1 division. I think it is still at that stage. But I would like the new generation in VPM who are aspiring to manage the institutions created by the earlier generations of the 60s, they will try to see that not only the additional divisions are added, but also they are able to see that arts also is added as one of the stream to the VPM's junior college. With these few words, I thank all of you for your patient hearing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, Kamath sir, for sharing such valuable thoughts and giving insight over history of our junior college. We are really always blessed under your guidance. No function is incomplete without expressing gratitude towards those who have participated in the success of this program. I request our Vice Principal, Mr. Ajay Kumar Jadhav, to present vote of thanks.
Thank you, Madam. Respected and most distinguished Chief Guest of the day, Sri S.P. Shenoy, Chief Executive Officer, Steel Plant Specialty Mumbai, President of today's function and Chairman of Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Dr. P.M. Kamath, other office bearers of Vidya Prasarak Mandal, life members of VPM, distinguished guests, heads of various schools and principal of degree college, teacher colleagues, parents, and my dear students. A very good evening to all of you. Gentlemen, I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed today's program, a unique, memorable, and successful event. I, on behalf of VPM's Srimati Vanaja Sundar Shetty Memorial Junior College, and on behalf of the entire VPM family, first of all, extend my sincere thanks to Almighty. John F. Kennedy once said, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. And in VPM, we do believe in this. First of all, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Shri S.P. Shenoy, for his eminent presence and making this event a memorable one. On behalf of the entire institution, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the President of today's function, Dr. P.M. Kamath, Honorary Chairman of Vidya Prasarak Mandal, for presiding over the function. A big thank you to Katti Sir, Mulgun Sir, Advocate Vijay Kulkarni, and Prasanna Pandit Sir, and also other office bearers of VPM for their gracious presence and concern over the junior college. I am also thankful to all the life members of VPM and all the other invited dignitaries for their remarkable presence and constant motivation. Our principal madam, Mrs. Archana Birazdar, my hearty congratulations to you, ma'am, for the successful annual day. You as a guide led us to the lot of victories. On behalf of the entire junior college, I thank you for your uplifting leadership and work ethics. I would indeed be failing in my duty if I do not express my gratitude to all my teacher colleagues for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this gala event. Event like this cannot happen overnight. Start rolling weeks together. It requires planning and a bird eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of our college who know their jobs very well and are result oriented. Allow me to thank our non-teaching staff, sports teacher, clerical and administrative staff for their silent contribution in making this program a grand success. Without your efforts and dedication, it was very difficult to achieve it. Children learn more from what you are and what you teach. Teachers come second, but you, dear parents, act as a guide for your children. I thank you all parents for allowing your children to be the part of our program, especially in this period of COVID-19. R.W. Emerson has rightly said, the secret in education lies in respecting the students. On behalf of the junior college, let me express my gratitude to all my dear students for being honest and disciplined. At the end, let me thank all those who have directly and indirectly contributed in making today's annual day a bigger and grander one. Thank you one and all, and have a nice evening.
Thank you, sir. Today we have a rainbow of programs to entertain ourselves with the enthralling performances. So let's begin with cultural program. संगीत प्रकृति के हर खंड में मौजूद है. भगवान शिव को संगीत का जनक माना जाता है. भगवान भोलेनाथ 2 तरह से तांडव नृत्य करते हैं। उनके तांडव नृत्य से प्रकृति में आनंद की बारिश होती है। इसी शिव परम आनंद व्यक्त करने के लिए हमारे सामने अभी प्रस्तुत कर रही है तांडव नृत्य नवमी।
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम्। जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणम् मम। जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्द सिन्धुर स्फुरद्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि। ॐ नमः शिवाय। सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम्। ॐ नमः शिवाय। प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिमप्रभावलम्बि कंठ कंदली रुचि प्रबद्ध कंधरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे। अखर्व सर्व मंगला कदम्ब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी विजृंभणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्धकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे। नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन् नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं। हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्त विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्त विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनो।
Thank you, Naomi, for such a wonderful performance. Leading by time. Open your hearts to watch beautiful tribute by Tanmay Bingarde for COVID warriors.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए। जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सो चांद बुझे। हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जा। नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Thank you, Tanmay. It was a wonderful performance. The sense of divinity brings with it a strange sound of music with its glories, a marvelous melody sounding like a multitude of flutes. So now we have Shravan Pandey who would be playing a flute in front of you. Very melodious, Shravan. Thank you. Art speaks where words are. The aim of art is not to represent the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. So now we have a small glimpse of art by Supreet from 12th D. Supreet has also participated in various intercollegiate competitions and bagged many prizes. Amazing sketches, Supreet. Every sketch had a message in it. Indian classical music and dance are not just for entertainment. They are designed to elevate your consciousness. Dance is a perfect balance between perfection and beauty. So now we have a Rajasthani dance performance by Srushti Chawan.
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी मन दीद कराओ जी रा क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी हर सले मुने बंगा दी मैं कह लगे मर बिगड़ में जागी दो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में पा दी कुसीरे झुम 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 ओ मर बिगड़ में जागी दो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में पा दी कुसीरे झुम 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 मोहरे ने पंगा दी मैं कह लगे हमें बड़ में जागी धोखनी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बागी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्बा झुम हमारे बड़ में जागी धोखनी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बागी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्बा झुम
Thanks to Shri for such an amazing performance. We Indians have a great cultural legacy in dance and music. We have multi-states, each represents different culture. Today we are going to witness rocking Punjabi dance presented by Prablin.
थँक्यू प्रॉब्लिंग. छावा तू जिजाऊचा स्वराज्याचा घेतला ध्यास, मुठभर मावळ्यां सोबतीने रचला नवा इतिहास. विजनरी जिजाबाई taught how to win battles and fight enemies. Among us, we have Aditi Kumar, who will be playing a role of Jizabai now.
आम्ही शहाजी राजे यांच्या पत्नी जिजाबाई, युद्ध कोणाचेही असो, जय पराजय कुणाचाही हो, पण युद्धात दोन्ही बाजून रक्त सांडणार ते मराठी आणि जीव गमावणार तेही मराठीच. बदल्यात काय देणार? बादशाची वाहवाह आणि बक्षिसे? शेवटी आपण चाकरच, आपण गुलामगिरीतच राहणार. कधी आदिलशहाची तर कधी निजामशहाची तर कधी आणखी कुणाची. कुठवर चालणार हे? अन्यायाला वाचा फुटलीच पाहिजे. ह्यावर एकच उपाय, आपल्या लोकांनी आपल्या लोकांचे भल्याचे राज्य निर्माण करायला हवे. जिथं आपल्या पोराबाळांच्या होटांवर हसू असेल असे राज्य, जिथं आपल्या गाईगुरांना मनसोक्त चारा मिळेल असे राज्य, जिथं आपल्या आया बहिणीच्या डोक्यावरून पदर उतरणार नाही असे राज्य, जिथे आपल्या काळ्याची कूस उजवेल व आपल्या कष्टाचे धान्य आपल्या लेकरांच्या पोटात जाईल असे राज्य, जिथे आपला घाम आपल्या मातीत साठेल आणि आपल्या रक्तांनी विजयाचा इतिहास घडेल असे राज्य, असे सुराज्य, असे स्वराज्य निर्माण करायला हवे. जगदंब जगदंब.
Amazing performance, Aditi. Next, now we have a Makhna dance performance.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना.
तेरी ही बातें हो सुबह सी रातें हो, जब से मिला है तू दिल को मिला सुकून. तू ही राह मेरी तू ही सफर है, तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है.
चैन न जाने दर्द न जाने, दिल तो बस दिल को पहचाने, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा.
Thank you, Shreya Shetty, for such a sizzling performance. मुलींसाठी पहिली शाळा सुरू करणाऱ्या पहिल्या महिला शिक्षिका क्रांतीज्योती सावित्रीबाई फुले यांना विनम्र अभिवादन. या थोर सावित्रीबाईंबद्दल एकपात्री नाटक सादर करीत आहे अंकिता पवार.
दिस इज अंकिता पवार फ्रॉम 12th A. नमस्कार, मी सावित्री बोलतेय. होय, मी सावित्री बोलतेय. ओळखलं? मी क्रांतीज्योती सावित्रीबाई फुले. माझा जन्म सातारा जिल्ह्यातील खंडाळा तालुक्यातील नायगाव येथे झाला. खंडूजी नरसू पाटील यांची पोर. माझे लग्न 9व्या वर्षी ज्योतिबा फुले यांच्याशी झाले. मी अगदी लहान, त्या वयात शिक्षणाचा गंधही नव्हता. अगदी मी अक्षरशत्रू. पण माझ्या पतीने मला शिक्षणासाठी प्रोत्साहित केले. त्या काळी मुलींना शिक्षण देत नव्हते, पण मला शिक्षण द्यावे हे माझ्या पतीने ओळखले आणि त्यांनीच पुणे येथील पहिली शाळा काढली. या शाळेत सर्वप्रथम शिकविण्याचा मान मला मिळाला. कर्मठ समाजाला जुगारून त्यांचा अन्याय अत्याचार सहन करून मी माझे कार्य सुरू ठेवले. अशा प्रकारे मी समाजसेवेचा वसा घेतला आणि स्त्रियांच्या शिक्षणासाठी स्वतः पती पत्नी दोघांनी मिळून या कार्यास वाहून घेतले. बालविवाह, सतीप्रथा, हुंडाबंदी यांविरुद्ध लढा दिला. मी स्वतः बालविवाह केल्याने मी जे काही सहन केले आहे ते दुसऱ्या इतर मुलींनी सहन करू नये यासाठी मी कार्य केले. अत्याचाराची बातमी प्रकाशित झाल्याशिवाय वर्तमानपत्र हे पूर्ण होतच नाही, अशी स्थिती काही निर्माण झाली आहे आता. महिला शक्ती सवरली आणि कमावती सुद्धा झाली आहे, पण अजून ती स्वतः मुक्त झाली नाही. ज्या दिवशी ती स्वतःचे निर्णय स्वतः घेईल, तो तिच्या जीवनात सोनियाचा दिन असेल. शेवटी एवढेच बोलावेसे वाटते की शिकलेला समाज असूनही जन्माला येणारी मुलगी असेल तर तिचे गर्भ पोटातच संपवायचे पातक शिकलेला समाज करताना पाहून दुःख वाटतो, खंत होतो. तिच्यासाठी आपण पारंपरिक रीती रिवाज प्रथा यांना बळी पडू नये. मला पुन्हा एकदा जन्म घ्यावे लागेल की काय असे कधी कधी वाटते, पण माझी गरज नाही. फक्त तुम्ही तुमच्या मुलींना उच्च शिक्षण द्या, तिला तिच्या पायावर उभं राहण्याची शक्ती द्या. तोच माझा पुनर्जन्म होईल. हा बदल जेव्हा होईल तेव्हाच खऱ्या अर्थाने माझ्या कार्याचा बहुमान होईल व मी अभिमानाने सांगेल, हाच माझ्या कार्याचा गौरव. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद अंकिता, अत्यंत सुंदर सादरीकरणासाठी. Does dance make you happy? Does it make you feel carefree? Dance is a rhythm of your heart and you will feel happiness never like before. So our next dance is Kudi to Nach Day performed by Aditi Kumbar.
मीठी मीठी सी मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये दुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नो मौज में रहने देना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इससे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे, कुड़ी नो नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके, कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के, बन ठन के, कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके, कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के, बन ठन के, कुड़ी नू नचने दे.
Thank you, Aditi. Next, now we have a graceful, beautiful, and a flawless performance by Priya Gudipadi on Chalka Chalka.
Dum dum dumakka dum dum dumakka dum dum dumakka dum 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 dumakka dum dum dumakka dum dum dumakka dum 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 dumakka dum dumakka dum dum dumakka dum dum hey dum 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 dumakka dum dum dumakka dum dum dumakka dum dum dumakka dum dum dum
छलका छलका रे कलसी का पानी, छलका छलका रे ओ आँख न मानी, छलका छलका रे कलसी का पानी, छलका छलका रे ओ आँख न मानी.
तू होगी 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ होगी
गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिमें कोइन साडी विक्टोरिया तू कैंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कैंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा।
Fantastic performance, Priya. Next now, we have a melodious, glorious and a soothing song presented by Shravan Pandey.
La 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 गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। मैंने सदा चाहा यही दामन बचा लूं हसीनों से मैं तेरी कसम ख्वाबों में भी बसता फिरा नाज़नीनों से मैं तौबा मगर मिल गई तुझसे नजर मिल गया दर्द जिगर सुन जरा ओ बेखबर जरा हंस के तो जो देखा तूने मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया।
Thank you, Shravan, for such a melodious song. Well, come back now. Let's have a change. Let's come back to reality. Let's come back to the theater of life. Actually, life is itself a drama, and we all are artists, perform a character assigned to us by God. Now it's a time for our next performance, that is a play which is presented by 11th students.
Good morning, teachers and my dear all friends.
Today we are going to present
State play
based on mental health.
Let's go.
बात करो अपने दिल की बात करो, बात करो अपने दिल की बात करो, अपनी कहो दूसरों की सुनो, खुश रहो, खुश रहो।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। हेलो बस वी जस्ट मिस रोमियो भी यहाँ था। कहाँ? यहाँ पर? हाँ, वो रोज यहाँ घूमने आता है। यस मैम, आजकल वो बहुत बिजी रहने लगा है, स्कूल के बाद भी बहुत बिजी रहता है। तुम्हें याद है मैं तुम दिनों को लास्ट ईयर 3 dates करके बुला रही थी। हाँ, पर वो आजकल हमारे साथ नहीं रहता, स्कूल के बाद वो उसकी वेबसाइट है। अच्छा, जो बाहर से दिखता है वैसा कुछ नहीं होता। बाय द वे, अब वर्ड्स मेंटल हेल्थ आ रहा है, तुम लोग आ रहे हो या नहीं? हाँ, यस मैम। ओके, सी यू सून।
हे ब्रो, व्हाट्सअप।
बोलना भाई,
कैसे है?
एक नंबर।
अरे आजकल तू दिखता नहीं है, कहाँ पे रहते हैं?
क्या करूँ यार, हर वक्त मैं अपने किसी ना किसी से कंपेयर करते रहेगा, अपने बैकग्राउंड को लेकर, अपने स्किल्स को लेकर। पर रोमित, तेरी तो फैमिली एजुकेटेड है ना?
अरे मेरी फैमिली इतनी एजुकेटेड है कि उन लोग के पास मेरे लिए वक्त भी नहीं रहता। वो अपने आप में झगड़ते रहते हैं। मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि वो ना झगड़े, लेकिन वो झगड़ते ही रहते हैं।
मैं अपने आप को सैड और लोनली फील करता हूँ। और तू पहले हम लोग को ये सब बातें क्यों नहीं बताई? अरे मुझे अपनी प्रॉब्लम बताने से डर लगता है।
सो जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं उसमें डेफिनेटली डिफरेंस होता है। हमें अपनी मन की बात किसी से भी शेयर करनी चाहिए, कह देनी चाहिए अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स, टीचर्स एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ, बट अपनी बात किसी को भी शेयर कर देनी चाहिए। और सामने वालों ने भी, सबने सुननी भी चाहिए। कभी कभी अपनी मन की बात कह देने से अपना मन हल्का होता है और अपनी बात किसी को शेयर करने से सामने वालों को भी अच्छा लगता है।
Hello, there are many examples of people who suffer from depression and tension because they does not speak openly and they feel isolated and lonely. If this does not happen, take care of your loved ones and give them time. Thank you.
With that, we finish with our today's cultural program. Now I request everyone to rise high for the national anthem. I request all the participants and audience to raise for the national anthem now.
जन